Welcome back. You're watching Property It's Hot. Now, to keep up with the competitive nature of the real estate business, developers are now stepping up their game. Luxury concierge services are now taking the residential sector by storm. So how do these concierge services go the extra mile to provide residents the ultimate experience of comfort? Ankita Sinha finds out.
Private elevators leading to your very own sun deck, an indoor gym and swimming pool and spectacular views of the city. Super luxury homes like these are the trademarks of the rich and the famous. But are these the only things that signify a luxurious lifestyle? Well, not fully. Indian developers say that to truly enjoy luxury, one needs a genie of sorts to spare the rich from everyday problems and worries. A genie in the form of a concierge.
These days what is happening is the life is so busy, and whether it's you or whether it's your family, you have so many requirements which need to be met. You're in office, you don't want your wife calling up disturbing you, you have a concierge service in your building, the errands they can take care of. In buildings, especially luxury buildings, ultra luxury buildings, no more left about just the hardcore services which you provide. It's the soft services which are becoming equally important.
Developers like Omkar are among a growing number of super luxury developers who are enhancing their products by tying up with global concierge services to provide the ultimate luxury experience. Some of these services include top names like Quintessentially, Virtu Concierge, Ala Concierge and One Concierge. These specialized services offer a wide range of assistance to homeowners, from something as simple as ordering in your groceries or planning your holidays at exotic locations, and all this from the comfort of your home. All you have to do is place in a request with a concierge firm and wait for them to make it happen.
The kind of range of services on offer, especially for the HNI and Ultra HNI, is no longer a luxury service per se. People need some access to a virtual or even a real concierge service which can complete almost any task that they're given to professionally and efficiently.
Globally, concierge services are considered status symbols, the privilege of the ultra-rich. In India, these services can now be accessed at relatively cheaper rates but to the same standards. But while it is the developers who initiate this tie-up with the concierge firm, once the buyer moves in, they take over dealing with the concierge firm, and the developers then take a back seat. Developers like Omkar, Lodha, Raheja and the Hiranandani Group are among those who are advertising concierge services as part and parcel of their super luxury projects.
One of the things which we look at the customer is the customer who comes in is not used to a no. So naturally, when I provide him a concierge service, he should be able to do almost every possible thing for him, whether it's a last minute travel arrangement or it's a ticket for a high-end fashion show or anything it could be. So he should be able to get that service.
Experts too believe that this trend is here to stay, and with demand for luxury and ultra-luxury projects skyrocketing, more and more of these tie-ups will increasingly be coming about.
I think people have understood that you can create wealth, you can be a billionaire, but if you're not living the life of a billionaire, not enjoying the lifestyle that you think you truly deserve and you want to celebrate yourself for your success, there's no shortcut and you'll have to pay.
The bar for that ultimate luxury is being set higher by the day. The benefits of having a personalized concierge service is out there for everyone to see. But the one question that has developers preoccupied is just, are these services enough to attract their buyers for their extremely expensive projects? From Mumbai, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.
Experimenting with textures and paints on walls is a done thing. The hot new trend is to experiment with your flooring.